Can I get pregnant naturally with hydrosalpinx? The answer to this will depend on if your hydrosalpinx is unilateral or bilateral in both tubes. If the hydrosalpinx is bilateral, it is almost impossible for a natural conception to occur, and you're going to have to resort to assisted reproduction techniques such as IVF in order to get pregnant. If the hydrosalpinx is unilateral and the other fallopian tube is in good working order, then it may be possible to get pregnant naturally. However, you must treat the hydrosalpinx in the other fallopian tube to make sure that the liquid accumulated inside it doesn't affect the chances of fertilization and implantation of any developing embryos.